Hello students, this is the 8th part of our 4.1 History of Novel. So open your books, page number 176. From this first row, there is given a title, Types of Novels. From this title, we are going to learn today. Now listen carefully. Types of novels. Now here it's given information about what are the types of different kinds of novels. The first one is realistic novel. Now there is given information about it, what is actually the realistic novel is. The realistic novel is a fiction that gives the effect of realism. So what is the meaning of fiction? Fiction, it means imaginary story. Meaning of this word I have given you in the last part. So realistic novel, it is actually a fiction. It's actually an imaginary story, but it gives the effect of realism. It is not actually a realistic story, it is a fictional story, but it only gives the effect of realism. Sometimes this is also called a novel of manner. Sometimes people called it realistic novel, or sometimes people called it novel of manner. Manner, it means way of behavior, way of method of living in the society, how we should live in the society. It can be characterized. Characterized, it means, see the meaning of this word? Characterize, it means show or describe the distinctive character of. Now here the meaning of character, it means quality. Quality of that particular thing. By the complex characters. Now this word characters, it means persons in the novels or peoples in the novels. For this meaning the word characters is taken here. It can be characterized by its complex characters with mixed motives. Motives, what is the meaning of motive? Look at here. Motive, it means reason for doing something. Reasons for doing something. That are rooted. Rooted, it means have as a source or origin in the social class. So what is the information we are getting here about realistic novel? It can be characterized by its complex characters with mixed motives that are rooted in the social class. So the characters, the people, the persons which are presented in that story, in that realistic novel, those characters, those people are characterized. It means described in a different way, distinctively, with mixed motives, mixed kind of reasons they had, and those reasons, those motives were from the social class. The origin of their motives is from the society. The source of their motive is from society. The character in the realistic novel interact. Interact, it means act in such a way to have effect on each other. It means talk with each other, with other characters, and undergo. Undergo, it means to go through. Plausible. Plausible, it means plausible, it means appearing reasonable. Appearing reasonable. And everyday experiences. So, in realistic novels, the characters interact with each others and they had the real experience of real people in the society. They are presented in the way as someone is having a real experience in their real life. Second type of novel is picaresque novel. So what is the meaning of picaresque? Picaresque novel, it means dealing with rogues and their adventures. So what is the meaning of rogues? Look at here. Rogues, it means rascal or dishonest person or peoples. So picaresque novels, these novels actually written on the rough people, it means rascal people, dishonest people and their adventures. Now there is given information about picaresque novels. The word picaresque is originated from the Spanish word picaro, which means a rogue. The word picaresque, it is originated from a Spanish word and the Spanish word is picaro. And picaro, it means a rogue. And what is the meaning of rogue? Rogue, it means a rascal person or a dishonest person. A picaresque novel narrates the adventure of a protagonist. Protagonist, it means the main character of that novel. And in picaresque novel, we can see some adventurous things done by the main character of that novel, who is an eccentric. Eccentric, it means odd, or other meaning is slightly strange or disreputable. Disreputable, it means not respected or not reputed. In the episodic form. So, the main character in picaresque novel, that main character is presented somehow odd, slightly strange, and that main character is presented as a disreputable person, it means not respectable person, and that novel is presented in the episodical form in different parts. Third part of novel is historical novel. A historical novel is a novel set in a period earlier than that of the writer. So historical novel, it means someone is writing today a novel. So that person is writing novel on the past events, whatever happened in the past of this time. That all writing is called historical novels. Epistolary novel. Epistolary, meaning of this word also I have given you, but again I will give you meaning of this word here. Epistolary, it means denoting literary work in the form of letters. Epistolary novels, it means those novels were based on letters. Now there is given information about epistolary novels. The word epistolary derives from the Latin word epistola, which means a letter. So this word epistolary comes from a Latin word, and that Latin word is epistola. Epistola, it means a letter. The epistolary novel is that in which the writer presents the narrative through a series of correspondence. So what is the meaning of correspondence? Look at here. Correspondence, it means communicate by exchanging letters. Another meaning is letters sent or received or other documents. So these novels particularly depend on correspondence. It means letter which were sent or received from someone, and other documents. On other documents also this kind of novels are depend or written. Although letters are the most common basis for epistolary novel, diary entries are also a popular form of this type of letters. This type. So particularly, if any novel is written on the base of letter, so that is called epistolary novel. But now in today's world, writers are using the information particular person write his information in his diary. So that diary form is also taken as a epistolary novel in today's world. Next type of novel is Gothic novel. So what is the Gothic novel? The novel that include terror, mystery, horror, thrill, supernatural, doom. Doom, it means, see the meaning of doom? Doom. In Christian belief, the last judgment, death or decay. Decay, it means, let me first explain this side, then I will give you meaning of that word. Wait a minute. Decay, it means to go bad, or another meaning is rot. haunted buildings. Haunted it means frequented by ghost. So what is the meaning of frequented? Look at here. Frequented it means habitual or visit often, are called Gothic novel. So the novels which include the theme or things like terror, mystery, horror, thrill, supernatural, doom, death, decay and haunted buildings, these novels are called Gothic novels. Now another type of novel is autobiographical novels. So what is the autobiography? It means one's life story written by oneself. So any writer is writing his own life story. So that novel is called autobiographical novel. Now there is given information about it. The autobiographical novel is the novel based on the life of the author. So these novels are based on the life of that novelist, of that author. However, the author changes the place and name of the character. But if the author wants to give his original name to the main character of that story, so he could give, or he could change another name to the main character, or give another name to the main character. One may change or avoid certain details of his life, or he could change some certain specific detail of his life into another type of events. It may or may not be in the first person narration. First person it means the writer could write, I went there, I did that, or he could use third person, he went there, he did that. In this way he could write those novels. Next type of novel is allegorical novel. So what is the meaning of allegory? Allegorical it means constituting allegory. So what is the meaning of allegory? See here. Allegory it means a story or novel which can be interpreted to reveal the hidden meaning. Another meaning of allegory it means a symbolic narration. Or narrative. Now there is given information about allegorical novels. The allegory is a story that bears more than one level of meaning. So in allegorical novel, there you cannot see one meaning or one level of meaning. There could be many levels of meaning we could find there. The surface meaning of such novel is different from the symbolic meaning of it. So after watching or reading that novel, at the surface, at the first level, you could think this is the meaning of that particular incident, but actually there could be some hidden meanings also. The symbolic meaning of allegory may be political, religious, historical, or philosophical. So, whatever the symbolic meaning of any incident given in that novel, those symbolic meaning could be related about political things, religious things, historical things, or philosophical things. So, in this way, today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.